The RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ wet-dry hand vacuum. The industry's most powerful wet-dry hand vac with the cordless portability of the ONE+ platform to tackle any cleanup job, no matter where it is. From wet spills to dry debris, leaving no mess behind. Included accessories provide ultimate cleaning versatility. A crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas. A dust brush for delicate surfaces. And a squeegee designed to suck up every last drop. The dual filtration system makes maintenance easy. The RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ wet-dry hand vacuum. Part of the ONE+ system, exclusively at the Home Depot.